Welcome back guys, I hope you guys are doing well. We are at Drumclog with Jobby, our off-road pickup truck, and on the list of things to do on the first off-road trip, recovering this DIY built off-road buggy was not top of the list. But 5 minutes into the off-road trip and we're rescuing an off-road buggy.
You're not supposed to get stuck this early. Haven't even used it yet. I've got the dog shackles. So you won't get so dirty, you know. Take it easy. Yeah, thank you. You stay close. If you see us, just wave like that.
Not the most exciting of recoveries, I know. Don't worry, there'll be better ones later on. This is just a shakedown test of the new truck to see what it can do, what its flaws are. We're still completely stock, all we've done is a set of wheels and tyres. So we're going to go enjoy ourselves, check out the views, we'll catch up with you guys later. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe.